It's 2021. A whole lot of smartphones have been launched, from mid-range to flagships. We've seen the Galaxy S21s, the Xiaomi Mi Ultra, the OnePlus 9 Pro, the iPhone 13s, the Pixel 6 Pro, and a whole lot of them, of which they all have great specs, great cameras, incredible prices. But are these devices worth to be called professional smartphones? Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to FrameTech. And if you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe and hit the like button. And if you're already subscribed, please hit that like button so that more people can discover this video. And today we'll be looking at the Sony Xperia-Pro-I, the I which stands for imaging, an outstanding professional smartphone, of which first, it's a camera, and secondly, a smartphone. Wow. Kindly stick to the end of the video to know why this device is really a professional smartphone. And that being said, let's look at what this device is made up of, as we always do on this channel. The Sony Xperia-Pro-I comes with a body dimension of 166 by 72 by 8.9mm, that is 6.54 by 2.83 by 0.35 inches, which is speculated to weigh by Sony 221 grams, and is built with a glass front Gorilla Glass Victus, glass back Gorilla Glass 6, and an aluminum frame, which gives room for dual nano SIM slots. Also gives provision for card slot up to 1TB. Wow, it's so incredible to note that a flagship device as this comes with provision for your headphone jack, in 2021, which also comes with a dual stereo speaker and comes in just one color, which is the frosted black. It comes with an IP rating of IP65 to 68 dust and water resistance. The Xperia-Pro-I comes with an OLED 4K display HDR, which has a screen size of 6.5 inches and has a refresh rate of 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 1644 by 3840 pixels, that is 21 by 9 ratio, 643 ppi density. The Pro-I comes with Android 11 off the box and is powered by the chipset Snapdragon 888 5G and comes with a CPU of octa-core 4x1.80 GHz Kryo 680 and a GPU of Adreno 660, and comes with an internal storage of 12 GB of RAM for 512 GB of internal storage, UFS 3.x. The Xperia-Pro-I comes with triple camera setup at the rear, which includes a 12 megapixel that has dual aperture, which is 2.0 and 4.0, 24mm wide, a 12 megapixel aperture 2.4 50mm wide for telephotos, which has an optical zoom of 2x, and a 12 megapixel aperture 2.2 16mm ultra wide, which records video at 4K from 24 to 120 frames per second in HDR, and also 1080p from 30 to 120 frames per second. That's incredible. While the selfie comes with a single camera setup, which includes an 8 megapixel aperture 2.0 24mm wide and records video at 1080p at 30 frames per second. The Sony Xperia-Pro-I comes with a battery capacity of 4,500 mAh and a fast charging of 30 watts, which is speculated to charge from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. This device is expected to start at 1,800 euros. Is that a good price for a device as this? I would love to hear from you in the comment box below. Now to the big question: why is the Sony Xperia-Pro-I truly a professional smartphone? The Xperia-Pro-I redefines the camera, combining professional imaging quality with smartphone communication capabilities. That's incredible. So you can be creative wherever, whenever, as a photographer, cinematographer, or a videographer. And as a photographer, cinematographer, or a videographer, you have the ability to shoot, edit, and send with a single device. But with most cameras, once the shooting is done, you head home to your laptop or PC to edit and share your work. But with this device, that's different. Let me know in the comment box below what you think about the Sony Xperia-Pro-I. And if you watched up to this extent, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.